Hello, hi.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
Fine, what's up?
I am fine. I am learning speaking to English at CLC. What do you like?
I like also Ronaldo and Neymar.
Do you like blogging?
No, I don't like vlogging. Do you like black color?
Yes, I like. I like also blogging, but somehow I do not do because I am busy
What
in
is your
gaming.
favorite car?
Ionic, Ionic,
Oh,
and Lamborghini.
okay. What is your father name?
Say talking about Gilani.
Where is your house?
Samulas 21 SB. Where is your house?
My house is in Rolachek.
Why not?
What is your cause?
My cause is Gilani. What is your cause?
My cause is Rana.
Rana. Your father is name is Rana Abdullah.
No, my father name is Rana Zaid Ahmed.
Rana Zaid. Okay, what do they do? He
Uh,
do.
he trading and sales medicines.
My father do advertising and dealing.
So, what do mother do?
Home wife. Home wife. Your mother.
My mother also home wife.
What want to you be? And what want to be?
I want to be like my father is doing medicines. I want also.